Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking for You. Today we are up with Vermicelli Upma, the easiest simple recipe for elders and for especially children's. Quick breakfast or a snack type recipe. Let's go and check out how to make Vermicelli Upma. Let's begin with making Vermicelli Upma. In a hot pan, add vermicelli and give it a dry roast for up to 10 minutes. When you see the semiya slightly changes its color from creamy color to a bit brownish color, then it's dry roasted. And now add oil to the pan and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, now add urad dal to it, add chana dal, let them get roasted. You can see they have changed the color slightly. After that, add chopped onions. Sort up them completely. Now add chopped green chilies. Add ginger garlic paste. Sort it completely. Now add salt to taste. Now add turmeric powder, a pinch of turmeric powder for a slight color. Now we can see all the ingredients are neatly cooked. Add water to it. Water quantity depends on the vermicelli quantity. When the water comes to boil, add roasted vermicelli to it. Make sure to keep the flames on very low because this is gonna become a lump. Keep stirring because we don't want any lump to form off. Keep stirring in the mid. So guys, vermicelli is all-round material. We can make sweet with it, or we can make a spicy food with it. We can make upma with it. In our channel, you will come to know all the varieties of using vermicelli. So check for it and make sure to give it a like, comment and follow it. Keep stirring it until the water consumes all the vermicelli. Same recipe of making a regular upma. Now you can see the water had been sorted up. The vermicelli is cooked very neatly. And it's done. Serve it with karam pudi and the taste will be awesome. It's damn easy with simple ingredients and very quick and super fast recipe. So let us know your comments and the taste, how you find it to be. Make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.